Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to your class 2 science class. So, tell me, how was your exam? And how are you everyone? Very good, Shrestha. So, before the examination we completed those part also, and what are its forms, and the next part with the seasons and clothing we completed. I made some videos about seasons and clothing, that was your offline videos, and hope you all saw those videos in YouTube. And there we completed the text part and the exercise part of your chapter seasons and clothing. So tell me, hope you all read the chapter. Have you any kinds of problem from this chapter seasons and clothing and previous anything? Very good everyone. I am fine, Shomagni. Hope you all are fine. So have you any kind of problem from seasons and clothing? Who till now didn't see the videos about seasons and clothing, please go YouTube and watch it, because we almost completed those both part, text and exercise both part. So today we have to start a new chapter, different types of houses. Different types of houses. Okay, and one thing you noted, that sun and our shadow, this chapter, and last chapter rocks and minerals, those two chapters will not be held in your next exam. So make a cross over it, that sun and our shadow and rocks and minerals, those two chapters. Yes, Upashu, I will upload the syllabus, the final syllabus of term 1, I will upload on your e-portal. Okay, you may check there after some day. That sun and our shadow and rocks and minerals. Make a cross over it. I will upload it in your e-portal. That time you can check also. So everyone, take your book and open the page number 51. That's about different types of houses. So you know that why we need house, right? We need house to live in, isn't it? We all need house. With human, animals, we all need house to live in, and it protect us. Yes, Pratyushna. Now open the page number 51, everyone. Because a house protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust, pollution, bad weather, and it also protect us from other animals and with thieves, other animals and thieves. You know, animals who also need house, and some of them make their own house also, some of them find their house, but some of them people made house for them, right, who can't make it. So they also need house to protect themselves, their babies from rain, heat, cold, from other animals too. And we human beings, we also need house to protect us, to protect our families from those heat, cold, rain, dust, pollution, bad weather, other animals and thieves also, other wild animals and thieves also. So that's why we need house. And you know, we feel safe and comfortable when we are in our house. We feel safe and comfortable when we are in our house. the house where we live in with our family, that's we call home also. The house where we live with our family, that's called home. So here you can see pictures of two houses, right side or left side. So in the right side, in the left side, you can see in your book that a mud house which is made up of clay, mud and bamboos and straw. So that's we called it kacha house, and naturally we can see that type of house in the village area, isn't it? Hope some of you saw this type of house which is made up of straw, bamboo, mud. That's called kacha house, and in the village area we can see this type of house. But the one types of house where we live in, that's called pakka house. In this urban area, most of us in the urban area live in a pakka house which made up of cement, sand, rod, iron, by those things. Okay, so that's about kacha house and that's about pakka house, which two things which already know. Now you have to know some more types of houses. You have to know some more types of houses, and that's one is temporary house. One thing is temporary house. Temporary house. So what is temporary house? The temporary house is those house can move. Our house can move. Can anyone tell me? Our house cannot move because this kacha house, pakka house are called permanent house. Pakka house, kacha house, where we live in, our school, those things also cannot move, right? So that's why they are called permanent house. And temporary houses which can move one place to another place. So temporary house can move from one place to another place. That's why we called it temporary house. Okay? Yes. So let's take the example. First one is a houseboat. One example is houseboat. You can see the pictures in your book at page number 51, that is called houseboat. You already learnt about boat. Yes, Ritusri. You already learnt about boat, right? That boat can move on water. Boat, ship, those can move on water. So that is houseboat, that one house made up of boat. So that's called houseboat. One house made up of boat, and it's a floating house. It's a floating house, and it can float on water. That's why we called it floating house. It can float on water. So that's why that's a houseboat. We can find those houseboats in Kerala and Kashmir. Those two states in our country, we can find these houseboats in Kerala and in Kashmir. So people or tourists go to the Kashmir and enjoy the staying of houseboat. They are enjoying the stay of houseboat. Sorry. Yes, Susan, you are right. So just now let's know about houseboat. That houseboat can float on water. It moves one places to another place by water, and we can found it in Kerala and in Kashmir in our country. Those two states, Kerala and Kashmir. I am right here. You can see the board also. And one thing that is some people go to Kashmir, or some tourists go to Kerala and Kashmir to enjoy their stay in houseboat, Okay, next is wheel caravan. Next is wheel caravan. So that is looking like van. Or bus. So that can move. As you know, bus can move, van can move one place to another place. Yes, van can move one place to another place because they have a wheel. But in this van or in this type of bus, we can get every kind of facility which we can get in our house. The arrangement of kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, those we can found in this van. Inside of it van we can see it. So that's why that's a one type of house, wheel caravan. So some people move one place to another place to search for food and water. Some people move one place to another place search of food and water. Those are called nomads. Okay, so those nomads have the wheel caravan who can move one place to another place for searching food and water, and they can get every type of facilities inside the van. They have bedroom, they have kitchen, they have bathroom, everything. So that's a type of van and that type of house, and they can stay anywhere which they want, which they like. It's too interesting, na? That's house which can move one place to another place, and where we want to stay, we can stay by those houses. Yes, it's too interesting that if we want that, if we have that type of wheel caravan, so we can where we want to go, we can go, and there we can stay in this van. It's too freely, it's too interesting. So now go to the next page. That is one kind of temporary house also, that is tent. So tent, many of you may heard about it, about tent, that we can see also in the mountain area maximally, but some houses are made up of Oh Jashik, you cannot hear me. Cannot you hear me? So we discussed on the houseboat and wheel caravan. Now go to the next page, that is tent. So some houses are made up of canvas or cloth, that's we call tent. Tent is made up of canvas or clothes. So those houses can made up of canvas and clothes, and they are called the tents. They can be easily folded and carried along. See, here is the picture of tent. Yes, here is the picture of tent at page number 52. Here you can see the tent. Okay, it's made up of canvas or cloth. It can be easily folded and we carry it easily. They are very easy to put up also. Our house we can carry easily, but tent we can carry easily and we can easily put up. So tent are mainly used by mountaineers or those people who are go for camping and trekking also. So some of people go for trek in mountain, and some people go to high altitude of mountain. Those are called the mountaineers. So those mountaineers and those people who are go for camping, those use those tent house. Those people used tent house. Okay. So nowadays tents house are made up of synthetic material. You already learned. Listen my words carefully, everyone. So we learn about our clothes, cotton, woolen, silk material. One kind of material here also that's made up of tent, that is synthetic material. And by synthetic cloth, the house of the tent made of. So which things made up of tent nowadays is made up of synthetic material. Tent made up of synthetic clothes or canvas also. Okay. Reza, don't do this. So here is about we discussed about temporary houses and that houseboat, wheel caravan and tent. So hope you understand. Because synthetic material is new types of materials which they cannot use, or previous days, many days before, those people couldn't use those material, synthetic material. So nowadays its synthetic material is also waterproof also. So that's why people discovered the new things, right? The scientists, some people discovered new things, and they discovered that synthetic material is very good for tent. So that's why they used it nowadays. Okay. Reza, don't do this. I told it now. Don't do this. Where is Reza? I can find her. Okay, now see the permanent house. Now see it, it's the page number 52. That thing I already discussed about the permanent house, right? That where we live in our house which cannot move, those all are the permanent house. Those are permanent house where those house where we live, this pakka house, kacha house, where we live, that is fixed at one place. So that's why it called the permanent house. Next, most people in the cities live in the permanent house, as we are also live in permanent house, right? Some of you lives in the flat, as Ritosri just told me, she lives in flat. So those flat, those multi-story buildings, bungalows, those all are permanent house. So permanent house which, it's okay Ritosri, listen my words and see the book. So those multi-story buildings and the bungalows are all are permanent house, and as you just told me that you live in flats, so those are also permanent house. Okay? Yes. So today we discussed about the temporary house and permanent house. In this chapter, different types of house. So here we learned some types of house, the kacha house, which types of it made up of, pakka house, and where we live in, those our houses cannot move one place to another place. Those multi-story buildings, bungalows, pakka house, and those all can't move. So that's why that's a permanent house. Okay, and some of house can move one place to another place, and those are houseboat, wheel caravan, tent, those all can move one place to another place. Okay, so that's why they are temporary house. So we discussed about it today. Let me know, have you any kind of problem from this temporary house and permanent house? Have you understand everything? Pratushna, you have to find this. That's your homework. Okay, Pratushna, you have to find this. No ma'am and yes ma'am. Why Somagni? Which things you can't understand? Let me know. Okay, so you have no problem, Susan. Very good. Which thing you asked me, that is your homework. That which material is used in previous days. Okay. Okay everyone, so that's all for today. We completed today's class. So who are present in the class, please write here P. Have to take attendance. That's all.